What's going on, everybody? It is Juan from The Refined Gent. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a shirt that I got from a company here in Australia, based actually here in Sydney, called Citizen Wolf. This is what it looks like packaged. Now, I'm not sure if they ship to the States, but I will be unboxing it. I'll show how it fits, and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Okay, so Citizen Wolf, as I said, is a company based here in Australia. Now, one of the things that I really like about a lot of these new companies, like small companies that are coming up, Nothing New, Citizen Wolf, and many others really, is that they're making things they're not mass production, they're not about going to sweatshops in China or Vietnam or Thailand or whatever. They're they like to source their materials locally. They like to employ their own people. They deliver a good product, apparently, according to the reviews, for the price that you're paying. Now, US dollars equivalent, because here it's Australia, it was around like $50. So I mean, yeah, you're talking, this is supposed to be premium quality, made of like organic cotton. You can also get hemp, which is a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I mean, it's for a t-shirt, you would think it's kind of a lot, and it kind of is, but I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on it, if it's worth the money or not. Obviously, like the shirt that I'm wearing is from H&M, fast fashion. I mean, I'll wear it for a couple months, and then probably by the time I'm done with it, it's all worn out, it's got stains, so you throw it out. These types of shirts are not for that. These are the types of shirts that you invest in for a while. Supposedly they're shrink resistant and things like that, so we'll see about that. I'll give you my reviews on that on another day. But basically, guys, I just got a basic white cotton tee. Very basic. I like to, for my staples, I like to keep them very basic. And then the rest of my outfit, I like to elaborate a little bit more. But all right, so I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna tell you what I think. Okay, so there we go. Hey, Citizen Wolf. Hi, Juan. We hope that you love your new tee. Please let us know how you like it. We hope it is perfect. Cheers, the Wolves. Okay, that was handwritten, but it's a nice gesture. All right. Citizen Wolf, right there. And like I said, these are actually could be custom made. So you just type in your measurements and they'll send it to you. And apparently they have free alterations. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. Okay, and here they tell you how to wash it. Okay, I'm gonna try it on and tell you what I think. Okay, so I actually think it fits really well. I'm actually very surprised. I thought I might have to do an alteration or two, but no, it actually fits really well. For me, I'm a small guy. I'm only 5'7" and like $130. I'm actually really slim, really skinny. A lot of times for me, finding shirts are not always easy. I always have to go like extra small. Some companies have them, some companies don't. So it's really nice to see that one that you can actually tailor make it. I really like this, especially it has this feature that it's folded. It's actually sewn in here, so it stays folded. I really like that. Kind of very old school, vintage. And guys, here's the thing with vintage clothing, is that it doesn't really go out of style. You can wear it anywhere. And I'm gonna make other videos on like the basics that you should have in your wardrobe. A white tee is definitely one that you gotta have. It's a staple in a man's wardrobe. I'm gonna give you my. I'm gonna put other outfits together on this, but yeah, basically, guys, I really like this t-shirt. It fits really well. It feels nice. It feels like it's actually good quality. It's not some crazy synthetic fabrics or anything. We'll see how it is after a few washes. But yeah, I'm actually very pleasantly impressed. by the quality and the detail and the fact that you can actually do free alterations on this if you need to. But no, I really like this. You know, I don't know how it is. There must be many companies like this in the States as well, or in other parts of the world. So definitely do research. I actually just ran into them on my Instagram feed, and I found them. I thought, okay, that's interesting, whatever. And I kind of held off on it for a bit, and then when I finally said, okay, you know, I got a little bit more money, I bought one, and yeah, so this is it right here, and I really like this. It's actually quite nice. It fits me well, and actually, another thing, guys, when you buy t-shirts, I see a lot of guys, especially guys that are skinny like myself, getting shirts that are too big. Guys, when you buy clothing, make sure it fits you properly, and especially if you're a small guy like myself, you're short, skinny, you know, and if you have big, you know, if the sleeves are too baggy and things like that, you're just going to look even smaller than you already are. Something like this that's proportional, it actually, in my opinion, it fits me really well, and it doesn't make me look as small as a baggy shirt. So guys, just keep this in mind when you buy t-shirts. A lot of guys make this mistake of buying oversized t-shirts that never looks good. Doesn't look on Justin Bieber, doesn't look good on anybody. So keep this in mind, guys. But yeah, so far I really like this shirt. We'll see how it is after a couple washes. If you want, I'll link to it down below, and you can do your research on it and see if it might be something you might be interested in. If I got any fans here in Australia, definitely a company worth checking out. But yeah, guys, that is it.